Hi, Reddam parents. They say that every dark cloud has a silver lining, and the way in which our Reddam family has come together and functioned as a unit over the past few weeks has most definitely been ours. We have been nothing short of inspired by the tenacity, the grit, the positive enthusiasm, the smiling, happy faces, and determination of our teachers, our students, and our parent body during this perplexing time. Together we are strong and will overcome. Our amazing teaching team have put together and implemented a fantastic online learning program. You, our parents, have given us support and ongoing encouragement. Thank you. Now, I'm sure that you are ready to hand your children back into our care at school, and we are ready to start receiving them. The protocols that we will follow when going back to school are in line with those of the World Health Organization, the National Command Council, the Department of Basic Education, the Department of Social Development, as well as the wealth of knowledge that we have gained from our sister schools across the globe who have recently reopened. All of our staff have undergone a COVID-19 awareness training and induction process, which included safety and PPE protocol. If you would like to see this documentation, it is available on our school app as well as on the website. The deep cleaning of our facility is currently underway to ensure the safety of our campus communities. We are fortunate that we have been able to keep our teaching program on track because our teachers have provided our students with exceptional virtual teaching and have kept up to date with the curriculum. So when we return to school, we look forward to easing back in without the pressure of having to catch up on curriculum content. It is our collective responsibility to manage the risk of infection, and so we have put the following procedures into place. All students will be allowed to wear civvies until further notice. All children will be given a starter pack of 2 masks and hand sanitizer to use at school. All students will be expected to wear a mask at all times. Please ensure that your children arrive at school with this protective gear on. Strict social distancing policies will be adhered to throughout the day. These policies will include social distancing during classes, while moving between classes, during break times, and upon the arrival and leaving of school. This social distancing will also be accommodated in class by having the desks separated accordingly. Regular hand washing, hand sanitizing, and the disinfecting of surface areas will be repeated throughout the day. Please check your child's temperature daily before bringing them to school. Their temperature will be checked again upon their arrival at school. Parents will not accompany their children to their classrooms. Thank you for completing our return to school survey. As soon as we are able to, we will let you know who will be returning to school on the 1st of June. Thereafter, we will let you know about the phasing in of the rest of the school. It is important to know that we will continue to provide online teaching for those families who choose not to return as per the return to school schedule. Please, rest assured that we have your children's best interest at heart, and that we are committed to protecting the health and safety of each and every one of our students to the best of our ability. In these unprecedented times, our President, Cyril Ramaphosa, quoted Franklin Roosevelt, "The state of this nation is good. The heart of this nation is sound. The spirit of this nation is strong. The faith of this nation is eternal." Let's continue to work cooperatively and positively to ensure the very best for our children.